quick lunch idea that you can easily make low sodium. Starting with 2 of these lightly salted rice cakes. Each one is only 15 milligrams of sodium and 35 calories. Now I have pre-shredded chicken that I already made. This has 0 sodium added to it, so the only sodium is from the chicken itself. So I'm going to mix some of this with some Duke's mayonnaise and make a little chicken salad. Duke's mayonnaise only has 75 milligrams per tablespoon. It's one of the lower mayonnaise varieties that I could find. Personally, I always keep shredded chicken on hand because it's perfect to throw in salads or just make a quick lunch with. And you can season your chicken salad with whatever you like. I like black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder on mine. You could also add in veggies. I need to go to the grocery store. I don't really have any veggies to add in, or you could add in grapes or almonds. Lots of options. Then you can just top your rice cake with the chicken salad that you made. And I'm going to add some shredded Swiss cheese because it is the lowest in sodium of the cheeses, only 55 milligrams for 1/4 of a cup. So I'll probably use 1/4 of a cup between the two here. Sometimes I'll melt this too, stick this in the microwave just to let the cheese melt a little bit. I do have some leftover shredded lettuce from our tacos the other night, so I'm just going to put that on top. There you go. Nice, healthy lunch. Enjoy.